There we go. Hello, hello. So yes, today, actually got out and had a little bit of a life, but I managed to get like, I want to say, 5.5 to 6 hours of studying in, so that's pretty good. Yeah. Let's see. What do we do? I can show you the end. Well, I'll show you the end result first. So here's our guy. He's got his little power bar on the bottom that's going down, and it's really slow. Power bar going down, but what's happening is he's going slower and slower, and he's slowly running out of electricity. And as he slows down, he'll turn bluer and sadder and more Eeyore. And yeah, see, I'm starting to go a little slower. I need to speed that up. But anyways, if you come over here and collect these batteries, like, and then you go crazy, crazy fast, and you turn bright yellow. So, anyways, that's the game so far. It's gonna be to where, oh, and apparently I just won. Yeah, just implemented that text up at the top. Yeah, what's it say to start out? Plus C to collect batteries. What you do? Yeah. So yeah, and the batteries connect the electricity to me. It's pretty cool. So anyways, this is the HUD, or the heads-up display, just simple little bar at the bottom, text at the top, and then there's the tutorial. Oh yes, so here's the tutorials. I'm down to lesson 19. These are going real slow for me because yeah, I'm still learning this stuff. Hooray for code. Um, I'm definitely learning to always dot your I's and cross your T's because I've been stalled so many times because of a missing S or missing T or typing coid instead of void and been stalled out for half an hour trying to figure out where the problem is because I'm still learning the syntax. So yeah, um, yeah. On cooler news, uh, my love just she did her first oil change today. So how cool is that? Oh, hush. She did it. She did it, which is cool. And went downtown to LA to go to the tallest building, and then they wanted $50 to go to the tallest top of the tallest building, which is stupid. So, anyways, but yeah, back to the code. There's, yeah, I mean it's making more and more sense. Like the gameplay, so each one, like the game is this one right here. And in here, you're just declaring variables and more variables and functions. And then in the CPPs, you describe the details of what happens during each one. So in this one, for example, it checks if what's this, begin play. So if the character actually exists, set the power to win the game equal to a variable that, or a function that belongs to the character, to the value that the function get initial power returns. So that's how much power it takes to win the game. And then if a HUD widget exists, that heads-up display thing, that shows if it exists or does not equal nothing, is basically say how you say does it exist. Then go into, the current widget equals create a widget of that design, get the world it belongs into, and yeah, anyways, then add it to the viewport after setting it all up. So yeah, I'm starting to understand what it says more and more, and that's good. But I'm still learning like the little bits of like where the semicolon belongs and when you're supposed to, this macro, these where is it? There's these macro things that I still don't quite get what the point of them are. These guys, like where it says enum and above a lot of functions, it's like declarations for a function. So still learning that, but anyways, good progress was made. Hopefully tomorrow night I'll be done with this and can get back to my happy blueprint land. But at least I'll have a gooder understanding of the C++ world. And but I did notice when I went back to doing some blueprints, it was like, this is so easy. So it's all progress. And yeah, again, doing this, so not only can I learn how to make some cool lightning stuff and some cool gameplay mechanics that I might be able to use to implement into a game I make. Definitely the lightning for certain, and definitely good to refamiliarize myself with C++. Yeah, so hope everybody out there had a shiny, wonderful weekend, and yeah, I hope everybody is enjoying their Sunday evening. I'm gonna go play video games now. Alright, peace!